Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the basics introduction to SolidWorks. So to open the SolidWorks, double tap on the desktop icon here and it will take some quiet time. So this is the opening interface of SolidWorks. At the top, I have a menu bars in which list of tools are placed. On the right side of the window, I have a task pane, and at the bottom, I have my status bar. From the file command, you can create a new file or to open a saved file. Here, it shows the list of files which I have drawn recently. And the next is the view command. With the view command, you can able to import the tools such as surfaces, sheet metals, etc. And also you can switch to full screen by selecting this full screen here or press F11 from the computer keyboard. You can show or hide the toolbars menu by using this toolbar here. And if I don't want the task pane here, give a uncheck to it. Now you see that there is no task pane in my right side of the window. By the same way, you can show or hide the motion manager and status bar as well. So the next command is the tools command. With this tools command, you can able to access the various features such as SolidWorks Explorer, Design Checker, Macro and add-ins. And from the help menu, you can access the help from the SolidWorks. And these are the list of shortcut tools which are placed in the menu bar. Starting from new command, open, save, print, undo, select, rebuild command, file properties and options. If I go to the options, in the options menu I can configure the display style, colors and sketch and relationships and snaps. And to open a new file, click on file, new, and here we have three options starting from part, assembly and drawing. I'm going to select the part and click on OK. So this is the modeling interface of SolidWorks which will be discussed in the upcoming videos. So to close a SolidWorks, click on File and Close.